It is, without any doubt, one of the most significant events that the world has seen, certainly over the last 5 to 10 decades.
នាមខ្ញុំឈ្មោះតួននៅឃុំដាស្រុកកចេះប្រទេសកម្ពុជាពីឆ្នាំទៅនោះទឹកភ្លៀងដើមឆ្នាំត្រឹមភាសាអីយើងបានចុះដាំហើយដល់រួចឆ្នាំនេះអត់មានដូចឆ្នាំនឹងទេអត់មានទឹកមានអីខែ6ចាំមើលក៏អត់ឃើញដល់ចូលដាំខែ7ខែ7ដាំងាប់អស់លីងចូលខែ8ដាំទៀតឃើញស្ទូងបានបាត់100%បាត់ច្រើនណាស់បើបានទៅ2នោះយើងធ្វើបាន40បានទៅ2បេវាមិនបាត់ប្រមាណមិន38បេបាត់
This is the real concern that countries are not coping very well with what they are confronted with today, and they're certainly not prepared to deal with the consequences of what is to come in years ahead.
ထီဝအုပ်စုကောင်းညူရွာနေပါတယ်ကောင်းညူသူကကျမနာမည်မက်ဂျီတက်မှာငါတို့ငယ်ငယ်တော့ရေအားလောက်မရှာဘူးအခုကြာလေရှားတာတနေ့နဲ့တနေ့ရေရှားလာပေါ့သူကြားတာပေါ့ဗာနော်ဆိုမိုးလေဝသကြောညာနားထောင်ရတာပေါ့လူတွေပေါ့နော်တစ္ဆာမရှိကြဘူးပေါ့တစ္ဆာဂတိတစ္ဆာမရှိတွေလူတွေကပြောင်းလဲလေမိုးလေဝသပြောင်းလဲလေအဲ့လိုပြောင်းလဲပေါ့
We've been working with the communities in Cambodia to make sure they can tap into different sources of water for not just for irrigation purpose but also for drinking purpose. We're also helping farmers to identify more resilient seeds and plant different varieties of rice so that even when they go through a prolonged droughts, they have a harvest. We're now starting to replicate some of this success in the dry zone of Myanmar. The idea is to have these communities take actions themselves so that they can adapt and prosper for generations to come.
ဒီမှာတော့နေရမှာပေါ့နော်ကိုပြေကိုနေပဲဒီမှာပဲဒါသမီးတွေသူတို့ကြီးသွားလို့ပေါ့ပြောင်းသွားရင်တော့မသိဘူးပေါ့နော်ကိုကတော့ကိုဒီမှာဒါလိဆိုဒီမှာပဲနေ
ไม่อันปานยังมันเตาจอลเต้ព្រោះអីដីដូនតាតែចោលបានតែយើងទៅរស់នៅដីគេយើងមានលុយណាដែលទិញដីគេដែលកន្លែងគេមានយើងវាក្រតើក៏រួចដែរតែយើងមានលុយទិញគេមិនបានស្មានសុំគេអត់ចែកគេមកដោតទៅសគេឲ្យអត់បានទេតែយើងមានលុយខ្លួនយើងដែរហើយចាំបើខ្លួនយើងធ្វើចម្រើនបង្កើនផលធ្វើមិនទាំងបានហ៎អីចុះយើងនៅដីយើងនឹងទៅក្រមានងាប់ដីយើងនឹងទៅ